Rolling.
What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be making Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna heat the oven for 350 degrees, and then we're gonna add a half cup of softened butter, and we're gonna add 1 egg and mix it together until it forms dough. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Dump it.
Okay.
Whoa.
Whoa. Chocolate chip.
Smells good.
And then two.
Now we're gonna add an egg.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
No, egg, tell me.
No, just one.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add our softened butter.
Yeah. I don't help you, Daddy.
Softened butter.
Yeah.
Make sure it's all in. Sorry.
Whoa. Yeah. Fine.
Okay. We have a special guest today, and his name is Austin.
Here's Austin. He is almost 4 months old. He's sleeping right now while they're mixing the chocolate chip cookies for Santa.
Into a dough.
Yeah.
Huh? We are gonna mix until it turns into dough, and it's really hard to mix right now.
Alright.
I think we're gonna change.
And it, everybody.
Let's change
And
it.
it.
Ooh. We're not professionals.
Yeah, we know this. Peanut
Rolling.
butter jelly, peanut
Butter jelly, peanut butter jelly. This is the finished
jelly.
dough. It's dough. Now we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of the dough and put it on here, and we have to make sure that it is 2 inches apart.
Roll.
Correction. 1 tablespoonful
Peanut
with
butter
2
jelly.
inches
Peanut butter
apart, and then we're gonna only make 6 cookies in one batch because our tray isn't too big enough for it. Let's start.
Yeah.
We got 1 tablespoon.
Peanut
Stop.
butter jelly.
Okay. Yeah.
We got 1 tablespoon right here, and now we're gonna drop it down.
I'll drop it rounded.
Drop it rounded.
Walk it down.
I'm gonna use the spatula.
Poopy.
Doesn't look good.
It will like.
Rolling.
Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I got it.
I got it too.
When you're putting things in the oven, have a good supervision so you won't get burned.
Yeah.
Now we set it up for 8 minutes, and then we start.
Yeah. And
Ashen, show them your apron.
Do the splits. Splits. Splits.
Rolling. In the meantime, while we're waiting,
I'm model.
Ashen is modeling his apron that we restyled. He's a boy, it's just an apron.
Show them your dance
We
moves.
still have 2 minutes and 28 seconds left.
We have now finished the cookies.
Okay.
We added 2 more minutes, which is a total of 10.
Yeah.
And then we added some pastel colored chocolate chips. And then, voila! It's done.
Cookies for Santa!
Cookies for Santa.
White and black.
It means translation, like and subscribe to our channel.
Alright, say
Thank you.
bye!
Bye.